Everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. Today we have octopus spicy stir fry. On the side I have so I decided I wanted to make the 청무김밥.
The small one.
Yeah, but it just took too long and I wasn't even using the right seaweed paper. So this is just what I have for today. And then we have 계란찜 with a little bit of cheese. I think we need a few more minutes for it to be completely cooked.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
I want to actually
Mix it up.
Yeah.
Ooh. When I was a child, we'll go up on the mountain and then use a stone as like a dish. Or like we'll just use stone to grill.
Oh, I mean, I feel like some restaurants, the cuisine still do that.
Oh yeah.
And like a lot of people like it because it's an experience.
So easy. You could just walk to the lake or find the stone, clean it.
It's so funny because that's what like my mom like suggested. Remember when we were going winter camping? She's like, you know, like when I was young, I will heat up the stone and cover in like newspaper and keep it under our feet. I'm like, I'm not gonna do that.
That's some OG stuff. I mean.
Ready? 뜨거. 잘 열어.
Ready?
열어서.
Ha!
I think it should be ready. Like,
how can you tell? Is there cheese in there?
Yeah.
Dang.
Okay. I love it when it's wet.
Yeah?
Take a bite out of it. 짠. 뜨거울 텐데.
Where's our coffee?
Oh, by the kitchen.
Such a simple thing.
밥도둑이다. There we go.
Here we go again. Let's mix up. You know that I read yesterday an article saying that
the breed really isn't the reason why like they might act certain way. Is it?
I think it's like nurture, right?
So there's a problem with me?
KEEMI-chan will just let Ame do whatever.
I will.
Ame-chan, yeah. Zing! Mr. Ame-chan, you have to eat. It's good.
지금.
Let me try that. It's good.
맛있네.
Oh wow, it's really good with that
Yeah.
little thing you made. When you're like in elementary or whatever, that you have a 소풍. What's the 소풍? A field
Picnic?
trip? Picnic? Field trip with school. You get so excited you can't even sleep. You get that? Like you're so excited.
I don't remember. Maybe I was. But nothing, I don't remember anything particular where like, I actually don't know how you remember that far.
What do you mean?
Like I don't remember my kindergarten or. 잘 하나.
Really?
밥에 비빌까?
Right? That might be good. I even remember going to hospital to see my brother born.
I don't know how.
And I was 3. I bet your sister remembers seeing you.
I don't think so.
I think I could even find which hospital if I go back to Korea.
Really? Good for you.
Thank you.
한 그릇만. Thank you. 맛있겠다. 맛있다. I feel so guilty.
Why?
I worked out once this week.
It's okay.
좀 많이 가졌나?
At least you have a guilt.
Okay.
You know, after Sky Castle, nothing seems to be that fun.
Really?
Never thought I would like that drama.
Cause you were like, eh. And I was like, let's watch it. You were like, eh. The first episode, he was like, eh. And then it just got so good. It was so dark.
I asked my brother to watch it.
Did you watch it?
He started and he fell asleep.
What?
I was like, okay, we're gonna start watching now. And then after like a couple hours later, I was like, did you watch it? How'd you like it? He's like, what? I'm like, the drama. Oh, I just woke up from. I just woke up. I was like, okay. Good. But I hate starting any drama with you because we start together, but at the end you watch whatever the last episode by yourself. Always.
This was our third day, not sleeping, watching the whole day, and I was done. I could not spend more than 3 days on a drama. But you're the type that has to watch every second of it. I'm like, let's just skip.
Because I don't want to miss anything.
That's why you rewatch it.
Is that how you watch The Office?
No, Office is more like background kind of thing.
Yeah, it was always on at our house.
Yeah, it was always on.
But even now, if I watch it, I'm like, how did they let that air? You know?
Yeah.
You know, I used to hate carrots.
I didn't like cooked carrots, but for this specific dish, I really like it. I was that kid that loved 된장찌개 and like very like adult taste.
You?
You know the 멍게 thing? The sea cucumber, not sea cucumber. 멍게 있잖아. That thing, like kids don't really like that kind of stuff. I love that shit.
Yeah, even my taste bud changed. I hated all that like oyster and stuff like that. Like, no way, you know.
아 뜨거워. 이뻐. I think Korean, as a Korean, we have like everything needs to go really fast. I feel like. I think we're just always fast paced. don't think so. Like,
And would you think that's
this thing is
bad?
hot as hell.
Yeah,
Still
oh, you
eating
eating.
it.
Yeah, actually, a lot of my friends didn't understand. Like, how do you eat that? Why do you? And I have a friend that says he even eats a soup cold. He doesn't like it hot. It's like, no, dude, it has to be hot as hell, or you burn your tongue.